Michael Douglas, a celebrated actor with a career spanning more than 5 decades, faced a deeply challenging period in his life when he was struck by a serious health crisis in 2010. Known for his charismatic screen presence and powerful performances in films like Wall Street, Fatal Attraction, and Basic Instinct, Douglas's sudden illness shocked both fans and colleagues. At the height of his career, with a legacy already cemented in Hollywood history, his diagnosis marked a turning point that would change his personal and professional life in profound ways. It began with persistent discomfort in his throat that lasted for months. Despite visiting numerous doctors, the exact cause of the issue remained unclear. Eventually, he was diagnosed with stage 4 tongue cancer, a diagnosis that stunned him and his family. Initially, the public was told he had throat cancer, a deliberate move advised by his doctors. Tongue cancer, if requiring surgery, could have led to significant facial disfigurement, an outcome that could have had serious implications for an actor constantly in front of the camera. To protect his image and career, the true nature of the disease was kept private until later. Douglas began an aggressive treatment regimen, including intensive chemotherapy and radiation. The physical toll was immense. He lost a significant amount of weight, struggled with eating and speaking, and experienced the debilitating side effects that come with such harsh treatments. For a man known for his strength, energy, and charm, it was a humbling and painful experience. His family, including his wife Catherine Zeta-Jones and their children, stood by his side through it all. The couple's relationship was tested but also strengthened during this trying time, as Zeta-Jones provided emotional and physical support while juggling her own career and public attention. The battle was not just physical but emotional and mental as well. Douglas later reflected on how the experience forced him to reassess many aspects of his life. The possibility of death was very real, and facing it gave him a new appreciation for time, health, and family. He took steps to improve his lifestyle, cutting out alcohol, cigarettes, and adopting healthier eating habits. Exercise and mindfulness became part of his routine, not just as recovery tools, but as a way of maintaining peace and balance in his post-treatment life. By early 2011, he announced that the tumor was gone, and he was in remission. Although the recovery was difficult and ongoing, the news was met with relief and celebration by his fans and the film industry. Douglas's resilience was inspiring. Rather than stepping back, he slowly returned to work. He took on new roles, including his part in the Ant-Man series in the Marvel Cinematic Universe, bringing him to a new generation of audiences. His ability to bounce back after such a life-altering event was a testament to his determination and love for his craft. Douglas also became more vocal about cancer awareness. He used his platform to educate the public about the risks of oral cancers, some of which are linked to the human papillomavirus, HPV. He emphasized the importance of early detection and regular checkups, particularly for men in middle age and older who might overlook minor symptoms. While he acknowledged that he was fortunate to have access to excellent medical care, he also stressed that many people are not as lucky and deserve greater awareness and resources. The health crisis had a lasting impact on his outlook. Douglas became more selective about the roles he chose and spent more time with his family. The fast-paced lifestyle that had once defined his career slowed down, replaced by a deeper sense of purpose and clarity. His father, the legendary actor Kirk Douglas, had lived past 100, and Michael expressed a hope to reach a similar milestone. Surviving cancer made him think more seriously about his legacy, not just in terms of film, but as a father, husband, and public figure. Michael Douglas's health scare was a tragic and frightening chapter in his life, but it also revealed the depth of his character. From physical suffering to personal reflection, the experience changed him in enduring ways. It reminded the world that behind the fame and accolades is a man who, like anyone else, must confront life's most difficult trials. His story is one of vulnerability, strength, and transformation, a real-life drama that continues to inspire.